Ganesha Creations 24. I'm Ashish and today I'm going to show you how to fold a modular star. Now by the end of this video, if you like it, please do not forget to give a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more such content, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new videos. Now let's get folding.
Alright guys, so today let's look at an origami star, a different style star. So for that we'll start off with a 15 by 15 centimeters square sheet of paper which has color on one side and is white on the other. So today we'll start with the colored side on top. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we have to make two diagonal folds. Okay, so let's do that. So that is one diagonal fold. Right, so you open that up, turn it around a little, and then make the next diagonal fold. Okay, so that's our second diagonal fold. So now you flip it over to the white side, and now you have to make a vertical fold and a horizontal fold. So let's do that. That was our horizontal fold, and now let's make the vertical fold. Alright, so now once that's done, you lift it up and then you should be able to fold it in such a way as the folds are, and you get this triangle, right? So now what we do is you have to just check. You have the central flap here which is plain, and then you have this four sides, right? So keeping that in mind, okay, lift up the right side and bring it towards the center, so in this way. So I'm just going to rotate this just to make sure that this edge that we have here, which is also folded sharp enough, right? So keeping that in mind, you crease nicely. Okay, yeah, so this was our right side. Now the left side has a twist. Now this side you have to fold it in this way. Okay, so we have the folds going in opposite sides, right, opposite directions. So that was our left side, and now you have to flip over and repeat the same on the other side. So that's the right side that I'm doing first. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, take your time guys with making sure that this fold is aligned with the central fold that we can see. So that was the right side, and now the left side. Okay, now the next step is we have to open up the right side and fold this inward. Okay. So there you go. That's the right side folded inward, and now with the left side you open that up and fold it outward. Like this, see? Okay, so you get this cone shape with the left side. So flip over and repeat. So open up the right side, just fold it inward. Okay, now the left side you open that up. Press and you get this cone shape, right? Now the next step is once you fold 8 of these, right, then you can get the other one and then connect. Now the way these are to be connected is, So you can choose any one side and then just insert the other one like this. So here, so this is how it touches, and then you can assure that if it's connected perfectly, it's with the height that matches this angle here, right? So that is how we connect it right now before we fold it. So see, this is the central fold that we have, and these are the two side flaps. So we're going to insert these here on the outward of that. Then you have this blue folds over here overlapping the pink one, right, on both sides. You make sure of that, then you put it down nicely. You can just make sure that this angle is good enough, and then lift up this central tip that we have. So now you get a combination of the blue and pink. And now once you lift it up, you have to lift it up towards this the point where the paper is, you can't fold it anymore, right? So keeping in mind the central fold, you give it a crease right here. Now apart from that, if you see, there is a blue tip showing up. So you overlap this on this fold right now that we've made and crease, then open that up and then lift this tip, and then at the back of that you will see a blue pocket. Depends on what color you're using really. So you have to just fold this or tuck it in there like that, right? Now we have to repeat the same thing on the other side. So let's do that. So again, I'm lifting this tip up, right, of the two sides that we've connected, and then that's it. So that's where we crease, and then I again have the blue tip on the left side now. So overlap it with the fold right now and then crease, then open that up, lift the tip, open up the back pocket of this one. See, there's a tiny pocket, so you open that up and then tuck this side in there. So that's how you do that, and with all the other pieces in mind, we can do this. So I'll just show you how to connect the rest of it. So I'll quickly insert this here. So again, repeat the same steps. You crease that, then you lift this tip up, crease on top of that fold, open it, you lift this up, and then you tuck it in there, right? And then repeat the same step on the other side. So here, crease really well here, then lift this tip, overlapping it on the current fold, open it up, and then lift this tip, then open the back pocket here, and then tuck this right in there. So then we are left with one piece now. So this is the green and purple. So we're just going to do the same thing, just crease right here, if you can see, creased it, and then I have this green tip that I've overlapped on this fold, open it up, then you open up this fold, the pocket, and then tuck that green tip inside, right? Now flip over and repeat the same step. So there we go. That's creased, that's the blue tip. So again, you overlap, hold it there and crease, then open that up, lift the tip, open up the pocket that you have here at the back, and then tuck that in again nicely. And there you go, guys. That's an Origami Star, which is like a 3D star that you can use, and you can just try to open that up as much as you can from all sides, and it gives you a hollow on the inside, right? That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you've liked the video, please make sure you mention in the comments section, and also if you really want to watch more such videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you guys, and see you next time.